Torms Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about Cricket Wireless. So Cricket Wireless has a new promotion going on right now. They recently launched this promotion, so if you guys are looking to get a new phone, Cricket Wireless might be the carrier for you to check out. So this is for new customers only, of course. So if you guys are looking to switch carriers and you guys want to get a new phone, Cricket might be the carrier for you to check out. So if you guys go to Cricket's website here, go to and get to the home page right here. Obviously, scroll down just a little bit here, and y'all guys will see what I'm talking about here. Scroll all the way down to right here. See right there, iPhone 11 for 60% off. So if you guys want a new iPhone, the iPhone 11 is not the newest iPhone. Obviously, it's like 2 years old now, but it's still a really good phone today. So if you guys don't really care about the newest iPhone, the iPhone 11 is still a good phone to check out if you guys like iPhones and stuff like that. It says here, iPhone 11, 60% off, colorful, powerful, essential. It says online only, iPhone 11, 64 gigabytes only. Requires new account port and prices of 2 months of $60 plan. First 2 months service charge and tax due at sale. Account will remain subscribed to $60 plan for 2 months. Restrictions apply, of course. So y'all guys have to obviously put over the Cricket, get the $60 plan. And y'all guys will see how much the iPhone 11 is. When I first saw this, I did not believe it. So y'all guys see the little banner right there, switch and save, get iPhone 11 for $199.99. That is not a typo, that is very correct, $199.99. So basically $200 for iPhone 11. I think it's a steal. This is a 64 gigabyte iPhone 11 here, so pretty good there. So that's not bad, $200 for a 2-year-old iPhone, and this is a brand new iPhone. This is not refurbished or nothing like that. It's brand new out of the box and stuff like that. So if you guys want a new iPhone but don't want to pay new iPhone prices, the iPhone 11 is still a great phone 2 years later, and it has the latest and greatest iOS 15 software on there. So yeah, when I first saw it for $199.99, I did not believe it. Then I looked into it, and then I saw this promotion that they got going on here. So you guys must put your number over the Cricket and get the $60 plan in order to get the iPhone 11 64 gigabytes for $199.99. See right here, says you guys must click on, if you guys are buying the iPhone, if you guys are doing this, you guys must buy it online. Obviously it's online only, and you guys must check the promotion box, because if you guys uncheck it, it don't do nothing. But anyways, if you guys are a new customer, it's $199.99. If you're a current customer, it's $499.99. Alright, the iPhone 11 128 gigs is $549.99. But this is the 64 gigabyte version that they're offering on sale here. So yeah, and y'all guys got the specs here. If you guys want to check this out, of course, a link will be down below to check out the specs and features on the iPhone 11. Of course, it has a 6.1 inch display, 12 megapixel camera, 64 gigabytes of storage, A13 Bionic chip, IP68 dust and water resistance. Has 4K video on there. Has the liquid retina display. Like I said, it has iOS 15 on there. You guys might have to update it when you guys get the iPhone. Let me see what version. I think it's iOS 13. I think iOS 13. So y'all guys can check all this out for yourselves. So they're comparing the iPhone 11 models here. Yeah, I think it comes with iOS 13 on it. y'all might have to update it to iOS 15 there when you guys get the iPhone, because I don't think it will come with iOS 15 out of the box though, because this phone is 2 years old. They'll come with iOS 13, so you guys might have to update the iPhone 11 when you guys get it. But other than that, it's still a pretty good pickup for $200, 64 gigabytes of storage, and this is for new customers. This is for new customers only, and you guys must put your number over the Cricket and get the $6 plan. Yes, if you guys do that, you guys will get a brand new iPhone 11, 64 gigs for $200. That's a fucking steal, guys. So if you guys are looking to get a new iPhone but don't want to pay like over $1,000 for a new iPhone, the iPhone 11 is still a great phone today, even 2 years later. Still has great specs for what it is. It's not the newest iPhone anymore, but it's still getting updates and stuff like that. So that's the good thing about iPhone. You guys will get updates on that for a few years to come. So it should get updates for another 3 to 4 years on this phone. So not bad for $200. Comes with iOS. It might come with iOS 13 out of the box, but you guys can update to iOS 15. So check out this deal if you guys are interested. This is for new customers only. Put your number of the Cricket and get the $6 plan, and there you go. And you guys also have to pay for 2 months of $60 a month service. You guys must pay for 2 months of service, so that's $120. So yeah. So this would be $200 plus that'd be $320, but the $120 is the plan, and the $200 is the iPhone 11 64 gigabytes. So yeah, I think it's a great deal, and I think this will get a lot of people with the Cricket Wireless. I think a lot of people would actually like this, you know, especially for people that want a new iPhone, but don't want to spend a whole lot of money for the newest iPhone out there. The iPhone 11 is still a great phone today. Like I said, it has great specs on it for what it is, and it's still getting updates today. So yeah. So there you guys have it. The iPhone 11, 64 gigabytes, $200 at Cricket Wireless if you're a new customer, and if you put your number over the Cricket, and you pay for 2 months of $60 plan. So check it out. Great promotion, great deal, and it's definitely worth checking out if you guys are interested. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It lets me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.